And where's the democracy here? Do you know? Is that right? All right. Yeah. This is the glass shelf set level of the tailor trade. I have all those yellow tags and stuff.
One of my biggest takeaways from this internship is seeing and experiencing how collaboration and teamwork are really valuable in a working environment. I think in school, everyone kind of works individually and we're really focused on kind of our own paths. So just seeing how the departments interact has been really eye-opening and exciting.
So I'll be going to Babson College in the fall, which is really big on entrepreneurship. And so when I get there, I'll be pitching to my classmates to help me run a business through the entire year. And so that's been just a big inspiration to hear from Elise, who started EOSERA, after winning pitching contests and pitches, every day to people to carry her products in their stores. And so I'm hoping I'll just have a really good basis when I get to college on learning how to pitch and to be successful.
It's a really cool internship. It's rotational, so we get to spend time with every single department throughout our time here. So I got to learn from manufacturing, distribution, finance, IT, supply chain management. I've spent a few years in the classroom and I learned a lot of theoretical things. And it's really cool to come here and get to sit down with the CFO and the CEO and see the actual numbers of the company and get to learn about how they do their company projections and forecasting and the daily sales report and everything that's went into it. So this internship has taught me a lot about not only the numbers behind a business, but also the relationships and how the different departments work together in a really well-rounded picture of a thriving business.
So over the course of the internship, we were tasked with finding a solution to either growing revenue for the company, increasing efficiency, or strengthening the brand's name, and ultimately we decided on increasing efficiency.
Collaborative, competent, very business oriented, very eager to learn. They exhibited tons of curiosity. Every session was full of insightful questions.